So in this lecture now, we consider the problems to find out the expansion of a function. Yes, Taylor's theorem, expansion of the function in power of x. So we will solve two examples on this to find out expansion in power of x. And problems of
आप अपनी शेयर करो.
So we consider problems of Cauchy's as well as problems of Taylor's theorem in this lecture. और next lecture में Lagrange's और inequalities लेंगे. Okay? So here we have formula to find out expansion in power of x. To find out expansion in power of x according to the Taylor's theorem, the expansion of the function is given as f of x plus h. Its first term is f of h plus x into f dash of h plus x square by 2 factorial f double dash of h plus x cube by 3 factorial f triple dash of h plus so. Okay. So here, using this formula, you can find out the expansion of the function in powers of h. In power of x, sorry. ये नहीं हुआ है ना आपका a और b का इन पावर ऑफ x. दो ही एग्जांपल लेने वाली हूं मैं इसका, दो ही प्रॉब्लम्स लेने वाली हूं. ठीक है, to find out expansion in powers of x. So here function of x plus h, f of x plus h, expansion is, remember this expansion, first term is f of h plus x into f dash of h plus x square by 2 factorial f double dash h plus x cube by 3 factorial f triple dash of h and so on. Now here what we have to find out, identify the first h value, identify the h value, compare the x plus h function, or identify h value, compare this x plus h, whatever is the given to you, value of x minus h or x plus h, whatever given to you, identify the value of h, then value of the function at h, find out this value, put that here, then f dash of h, take successive derivative of that function f dash h, f double dash of h, and value of each derivative and the function at h, substitute in this formula and simplify. Okay, so this is the expansion in powers of x. Here power of x is 0, power of x is 1, power of x is 2, power of x is 3. Okay, so this is the expansion of the function in power of x. So solving example on this. Consider first problem, expand using Taylor's theorem x minus 2 bracket raised to 4, x minus 2 bracket raised to 4 minus 3x minus 2 bracket cube plus 4x minus 2 bracket square plus 5. 4x minus 2 whole bracket square plus 5 in powers of x. We will expand this function in powers of x. Okay. So our formula is expansion of the function fx in power of x, that is given by f of x plus h is equal to what? F of h plus x into f dash of h plus square by 2 factorial f double dash of h plus x cube by 3 factorial f double dash of h and plus so on. Okay, this is the formula. Now it is, we will put the value of h. So here compare this x minus 2 with x plus h. This is the given function of f of x minus 2. Now we will compare this x minus 2. This given expansion is the expansion of function in power of x minus 2. See here, power of x minus 2 is 4, this is 3, this is 2. Okay. So this is the expansion. Given expansion of the function is in power of x minus 2. So we will compare this x minus 2 with x plus h. So here x get cancelled. We will get value of h as minus 2. So if h is minus 2, formula become f of x minus 2. Expansion of this function f of x minus 2 will be first term f of minus 2 plus x into f dash of minus 2 plus x square by 2 factorial f double dash of minus 2 plus x cube by 3 factorial f triple dash of minus 2 and plus so on. Okay? This is the expansion. Now, in this expansion, we will find out value of f of 2, f dash of 2, minus 2, f double dash of minus 2, f triple dash of minus 2. Okay? So, we will find out these values. Now, with the help of which function we will find out given function. This is the given function which is in power of x minus 2. So, from this, we will write function in powers of x. Okay, so from that we can write function in powers of x. So fx, what will be fx here? See, neglecting the h value, we will write the function in terms of x. So function in terms of x, neglect this, so this become x raised to 4. X raised to 4th power minus 3 constant x raised to 3 x cube plus 4 constant x raised to 2 x square and plus value as well. So we have obtained function in terms of x. When you replace x by x minus 2, you will get same function. Okay. So from this given function, you will get function in terms of x. So once we obtain function in terms of x, you can write from this function in terms of h. So replacing x by h, we get f of h as h raised to 4 minus 3h cube plus 4h square plus 5. And now you can find out value of this function h at h is equal to minus 2. Therefore, f of minus 2 will be equal to. You can carry out this calculation. 2 raised to 4, 2 raised to 4 minus 3, 2 raised to 3 with minus sign. Minus 2 raised to 4, minus 3, minus 2 cube, plus 4 into minus 2 square, plus 5. So find out f of minus 2. Then, differentiating this with respect to h, f dash of h. So you can find out its first derivative, that is 4h cube minus 9h square. 4h cube minus 3 into 3, 9h square, plus 8h. And value of this derivative again at h equal to minus 2. So f dash of minus 2 will be 4 into minus 2 cube minus 9 into minus 2 square plus 8 into minus 2. So you will find out this value f dash of minus 2. Yes, it is minus 84. Yes, this is correct. F of minus 2 is minus 84. Correct. Then f dash of minus 2. F dash of minus 2. F dash of minus 2 is minus 84. This value is f of minus 2. F of minus 2, carry out this value. Calculate this value f of minus 2 and tell me. Okay. Now the next value, that is derivative. Next derivative f double dash of h, that is 12h square minus 18h. So this implies f dash of minus 2 equal to f triple dash of h. Find out successively all the values. F double dash of minus 2. $92, correct. F double dash of minus 2 is 92. Now f triple dash of f triple dash of h triple dash. Third derivative 24h minus 18. 24h minus 18.
Derivative of
F
n
fourth
h.
h, fourth derivative that is 24. Fifth derivative of h that is 0. Okay. Yes, minus 66. Next value, third derivative f triple dash of minus 2. 24 into minus 2 minus 18 that is minus 66. Minus 48, 8 minus 18 that is minus 66. Now f raised to 4 minus 2 that is same 24 because it is constant, and f raised to fifth derivative at minus 2 that is 0 because fourth derivative is constant. Okay, so in this way we have obtained all the values. Now we will substitute them in the formula. Okay, so we will substitute all values in our formula. What is the first value? F of 2, f of minus 2. Here we calculate this is 61. Okay. So f of minus 2, calculate this. This is 61 plus x into f dash of minus 2. F dash of minus 2 that is minus 84 plus x square by 2 factorial that is 2. F double dash of minus 2 that is 92 plus x cube by 3 factorial that is nothing but 6. X cube by 3 factorial 6, f triple dash of minus 2, f triple dash of minus 2 that is minus 66 plus x upon 4 factorial. Nowadays 4 factorial that is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 12 into 2 that is 24. So x raised to 4 upon 24 multiply by what? Fourth derivative at minus 2 that is 24 plus next term is 0. You will get expansion of the function up to the power x raised to 4 only. So carry out this calculation, simplify this, you will get the required expansion. So this is 61 minus 84x plus 46x square minus this is 11 x raised to 3 and plus x raised to 4. So this is the answer. So this is the required expansion of the function in powers of x. Okay. 61 minus 84x plus 46x square minus 11x cube plus x raised to 4. Five plus 4 into x minus 1 bracket square. Using the same procedure, solve the next example, that is 5 plus 4 x minus 1 whole bracket square. 5 plus 4 into x minus 1 whole bracket square minus 3 x minus 1 whole
X minus whole
plus x minus 1 whole bracket square. X minus 1 whole bracket raised to 4 in powers of x. Okay, so you can solve this problem. Expand this function in powers of x. So this is the given function in powers of x minus 1. So when we compare this x minus 1 with x plus h,
x cancel,
you will get h as minus 1.
of x.
So from this function, which is function of x minus 1, you can write function of x. So fx will be 5 plus neglecting the h value, 5 plus 4 function of x. And here, this is function of x. From this, you can write function of h, replacing x by h. You can write function of h as 5 plus 4h square minus 3h cube plus h raised to 4.
3x
So,
cube plus
value of this function at h equal to minus 1. So, carry out this calculation. Find f of minus 1. Then f dash of h, derivative. For this, it is 0. This is 8h minus 9x square plus 4h cube. Then value of this derivative at minus 1. F double dash of h, that is 8 minus 18h plus 12h square. Value of this derivative, second derivative at h equal to minus 1. F triple dash of h. Then for this it is 0 minus 18 plus 24h. Third derivative at h equal to minus 1. Next, fourth derivative, that is 24, and fourth derivative value at minus 1, that is again 24. So after identifying x, writing the function in terms of x, you can write function in terms of h, find out the function value and its derivative correctly, and then substitute in the formula. Okay? So when you substitute all these values in the formula, expansion of the function x plus h in powers of x, first term f of h plus x into f dash of h plus x square by 2 factorial f double dash of h plus x cube by 3 factorial f triple dash of h
minus
plus
9
this one. Now put h as minus 1 here. Putting h as minus 1, this becomes f of minus 1 plus x into f dash of minus 1 plus x square by 2 factorial is 2 f double dash of minus 1 plus x cube by 3 factorial 6 f triple dash of minus 1. Now third derivative is here, whatever is the value, fourth derivative is constant. So limit expansion up to the power 4, 24 multiplied by 4 of minus 1. Next term is 0. Now find out these values.
h square 4h cube
Yes. F of minus 1. Yes. What is the value of f of minus 1? f of minus 1 की value क्या है? 7. f dash of minus 1, 30. Okay. F double dash of minus 1, 5 plus 4. 9. 9 minus 3, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Yes. F double F dash of minus 1 minus 8 plus minus 8 minus 9 minus 17 minus 17 minus, is it 13? H is minus 1. So this is minus 8 minus 9 minus 7 plus 1 plus 4 into minus 1. That is minus 4. 21. This should be 21 with minus sign. Minus 21. Okay. Is it minus 21? Okay. Then F double dash of 8. This is 8 plus 18 plus 12. This is 38. 38. Check the values. Check the values. Then next one, F triple dash of 8. 18 minus 24. That is minus 6. Okay. So these are the values. 42. Yes, it is minus 18. Yes. This is minus
minus
14.
plus में मैम
Minus 18 minus 24 minus 14. Yes, correct. Now you will substitute all these values. So this become f of minus 1, that is 7 plus x into f dash minus 1 minus 21 plus x square by 2 into f dash minus 1, that is 38 plus x cube upon 6 f triple dash of minus 1 minus 42 plus x raised to 4 by 24 f fourth of minus 1, that is 24 with plus sign. So simplify this, you will get the expansion of the function in powers of x as. Okay. So this implies f of x plus h having expansion 7 minus 21x plus 19x square minus 7x raised to 3 plus x raised to 4. So this is the required expansion of the function in ascending powers of x.
मैम तिकडे 7 ने 13 ने
मैम 7 नहीं है, कहाँ पर 7 नहीं है? तो क्या है वो वैल्यू क्या है?
13
Instead of 7 it is 13.
13.
Okay.
13
This value is 13. F of minus 1 is 13. बाकी करेक्ट है? 13 minus 21 x
Yes, yes.
plus 19x square minus 7x raised to 3 plus x raised to 4. Yes, this is the correct expansion. Okay, so here in Taylor's you can find out expansion of any function in any powers either in h or in x or in x minus e. Okay, so this completes your Taylor's theorem. Now for I think A division, Cauchy's theorem is remaining. Cauchy's theorem and problems on inequalities. So we will take Cauchy's theorem in this lecture. Okay. Solving problems on Cauchy's theorem. Cauchy's mean value theorem. So we know that Lagrange's and Rolle's mean value theorem, we require only one function, that is fx. So we will check the condition for fx, whether it is continuous, whether it is differentiable. But in Cauchy's, we require two functions, fx and gx, and we will check the condition whether both are continuous, both are differentiable. And third condition is that g dash x should be non-zero. Okay. So here, let fx and gx, these are the two functions which defined in the interval, closed interval a to b. Functions are defined in the closed interval a to b. These are the two functions which are given to you in the closed interval a to b. The first condition is that fx and gx both are continuous function in closed interval a to b. both should be continuous functions. Second one, fx and gx, these are differentiable function in the open interval a to b. Both should be differentiable. Third condition is that g dash x, third condition, derivative of the second function, this is not equal to 0 in the open interval a to b. Then there exists at least one point c belongs to the open interval ab such that fb minus fa upon gb minus ga, fb minus fa upon gb minus ga is equal to what? F dash of c upon g dash of c. So if you solve this equation, then you will get some value of c that must lies in the interval a to b. Then the Cauchy's mean value theorem will be verified. If fx and gx, these two functions are continuous in closed interval ab, if they are differentiable in open interval ab, and if third condition that g dash x is not equal to 0, whenever c, then there exists at least one point c in the open interval ab such that it satisfies this equation, that is fb minus fa upon gb minus ga, that is values of the function f and g and a and b, that is equal to f dash c upon g dash c. So if you simplify this equation, we get some value of c in open interval a to b such that the Cauchy's mean value theorem will be verified. Okay? So consider the examples on this. We will solve example. Very first function, function fx and gx. Suppose the function fx and gx are sin x and cos x in the interval 0 to 5. Function fx is sin x, second function gx is cos x, and the interval is 0 to pi by 2. Interval is 0 to pi by 2. Yes. Now see that first function is sin x, second function is cos x. Now these are trigonometric functions, and trigonometric functions are continuous functions. You can draw the graph of sin x and cos x. It is continuous. Okay. So this is continuous function. Both are continuous in the closed interval 0 to pi by 2. Now both are differentiable. We can find out derivative of this function. Okay. So first condition is that fx and gx are continuous in closed interval 0 to pi by 2. This is the given closed interval 0 to pi by 2. A is 0, B is pi by 2. The function, both functions are continuous because both are trigonometric function. Then second condition, f dash of x. What is derivative of this sin x? That is cos x. And derivative of cos x, g dash of x minus sin x. So we can find out derivative of the function. Okay, and this derivative is finite for any value lies in between 0 to pi by 2. So here the third condition is that g dash of x is not equal to 0. This is not equal to 0. Okay, derivative of the second function is non-zero. So all the three conditions of Cauchy's mean value theorem get satisfied. Therefore, there exists at least one point c belongs to the open interval 0 to pi by 2 such that fb minus fa upon gb minus ga is equal to what? F dash of c upon g dash of c. Okay. We will find out all the values. Now put the value of a and b. See here, a is 0 and b is equal to pi by 2. Close interval a to b, 0 to pi by 2. So this implies fb. What will be fb here? If you replace a by b, this becomes sin b. Sin b. What is b? b is pi by 2. Minus f of a, sin a, that is sin 0, divided by cos b, that is cos of pi by 2. Second function gb. gx is cos x, gb will be cos b, cos pi by 2. Minus ga will be cos of 0 is equal to f dash of c. What is f dash of c here? F dash of x is cos x. F dash of c will be cos of c divided by g dash of c, that is minus sin c. Now simplify this by substituting the values. So this becomes sin pi by 2 is 1, minus sin 0 is 0, cos pi by 2 is 0, minus cos 0 is 1, is equal to minus cos upon sin, that is minus cot c. Okay. Yes, it is minus 1. Simplify this. This is minus 1 is equal to minus cot of c, or this implies cot c is equal to 1. Okay, minus cot c is equal to minus 1. So c will be equal to cot inverse of 1. And cot inverse of 1, that is pi by 4. Okay, cot inverse of 1, that is pi by 4, and this value pi by 4 lies in the interval 0 to pi by 2. 0 और pi by 2 के बीच में pi by 4 एग्जिस्ट होता है. Pi by 4 की वैल्यू lies in between 0 and pi by 2. So our Cauchy's mean value theorem is verified for these two functions fx and gx. Okay, so in this way we can verify Cauchy's mean value theorem for the given function. Functions are continuous, functions are differentiable. Third condition, derivative of the second function is not equal to 0. Then there exists c point in the open interval 0 to pi by 2 such that fb minus fa upon gb minus g is equal to f dash c upon g dash c. Simplify this, we will get value of c pi by 4 lies in the interval 0 to pi by 2. Okay. Therefore, Cauchy's mean value theorem is verified here. Now the second problem. Consider first function fx as root x and second function gx as 1 upon 2 root x. First function fx as root x, second function gx as 1 upon 2 into root x. Right? It is only 1 upon root x, not 2 root x. Fx as root x, gx as 1 by root x. Prove that C of Cauchy's mean value theorem is geometric mean between A and B. Prove that C is geometric mean of A and B. T point is the geometric mean of A and B. So in general, we have to consider x, which belongs to the closed interval A to B. If these are the two functions, then by Cauchy's mean value theorem, we have to prove that C is the geometric mean of A and B. Geometric mean means we have to prove that C is nothing but square root of AB. To prove that C is square root of AB, that is value of C must be square root of AB. Okay. So if C is square root of AB, then we say that C is geometric mean of A and B. So how to solve this? Consider the two functions. Let fx is root x and gx is 1 by root x. Okay. Now find out the derivative. Now we know that these two are functions, polynomial function. These are continuous in closed interval AB. They are differentiable. You can find out derivative of this function. Root x, that is 1 upon 2 root x. Derivative of root x, 1 upon 2 root x. Now for this, what will be the derivative? We can shift this term in numerator. This becomes x raised to minus half. Okay. Now g dash x. Apply the formula of x raised to n. That is n x raised to n minus 1. So minus half x raised to minus half minus 1. So this becomes minus half x raised to minus 3. Okay, minus 3 by 2. Minus 1 minus 2. Minus 3 by 2. Or this is minus 1 upon, or we will keep this as it is. We can shift the term in denominator, so this become minus 1 by 2 x raised to 3 by 2. And x raised to 3 by 2 can be written as x into root x again. Okay. So these are the derivatives of the two functions fx and gx. Now apply the condition of Cauchy's mean value theorem formula. Direct the C point which belongs to open interval AB such that FB minus FA upon GB minus GA is equal to what? F dash of C upon G dash of C. Okay. Now, simplify this f of b. F of b. What will be f of b? So, f of b will be root b. Minus f of a. This is the function fx, that is root x. In this, replacing x by b, you will get f of b, that is root b. Replacing x by a, you will get f of a, that is root a. Root b minus root a. Divided by g of b. This is a gx function, that is 1 upon. Okay, so g of b will be 1 upon root b, 1 upon square root of b, minus g of a. G of a will be 1 upon root of a, 1 upon root a, is equal to what? F dash of c. C of f dash of x is 1 upon 2 root x. So this is 1 upon 2 root c. Okay, this is 1 by 2 root c, and again it is divided by g dash of c. G dash of c will be minus 1 by 2 x raised to 3 by 2 can be written as x into root x. Okay, this is x raised to half into x raised to 1, that is 2 plus 1, that is 3 by 2. And if we want to write this in terms of c, so this can be written as c into root c. Okay, so this is minus half c raised to 3 by 2, that is c into root c. And now simplify this. We can simplify this. Simplifying this, we get in the left hand side, this is root b minus root a. In the denominator, by cross multiplying, this is minus root b divided by square root of a into square root of b. In the denominator, by cross multiplying, root a into root b. Now see that this 2 with 2 get cancelled. Root c with this what will be this value? C. 1 upon 2 root c and divided by this value, that is same as multiplied by its reciprocal, that is minus 2 upon c root c. Okay. So if it doesn't cancel here 2, this is 1 by 2 root c and divide by this term, that is same as multiply by its reciprocal. So its reciprocal is minus 2 and this term will be in denominator c root c. Now see here, 2 with this 2 get cancelled. Root c into root c. Root c into root c. This is root c multiplied by root c, that is c, and c with c, that is c square. Okay, product of c with c, that is c square. So we get minus 1 by c square in the right hand side. Now see here, in denominator it is root b minus root a, and in numerator it is root b minus root a. In denominator it is minus root a minus root b. So from this we can take negative sign common. So if we take denominator as same, and from this if you take negative sign common, in bracket we will get root b minus root a, and divided by this, that is same as multiply by root ab. Okay, square root of ab. Then this root b minus root a get cancelled. So what we obtain, this is minus square root of ab is equal to what? Minus 1 upon c square.
तो गलत हुआ है क्या?
हाँ गलत हुआ है
हेलो
वहाँ पे।
मैडम,
हाँ काहीतरी चुकलं
मैडम
आहे.
हेलो मैम,
मॅसेज टाका
वहाँ
मॅसेज.
-2 × C × आएगा मैम.
अरे मॅसेज टाकावं लागेल. स्पीकर नहीं है उधर.
स्पीकर नहीं है क्या?
This
एक
term
मिनट.
get cancelled with this and divided by 1 upon this. So this is 1 upon root of AB. Not root of AB, this is 1 upon root AB. And if you simplify this term get cancelled with each other by taking square root. This is minus sign, minus 1 upon root AB is equal to minus 1 upon C square. Now by cross multiplication, minus minus plus C square is equal to square root of AB.
नहीं मैम गलत हुआ है किधर पे.
Minus C should be there.
मैम -2 × C × √C कर दो.
अरे मॅसेज टाक ना तिकडे.
Wrong.
हाँ एक.
Minus half C raised to half. So C is equal to, C should be there, not C square. What is wrong in right hand side? Yes? Minus 1 by C होगा. Yes. This should be 1 by C. Then only it is possible. So C is equal to square root of AB. This term should be in numerator. 2 into root C into C. So ये term cancel होगा. Okay. Then you will get 1 by C as root A. Okay. So here this root C with root C get cancelled. You will get this as minus 1 by C equal with minus 1 by root AB. So C will be root AB. C is root AB means C is the geometric mean of A and B. देखो राइट हैंड साइड क्या था आपका. राइट हैंड साइड f dash of C upon g dash of C. हाँ 1 upon 2 root x is f dash of x. ये आपका f dash of x है 1 upon 2 root x. g dash of x क्या है. g dash of x gx क्या है आपका 1 upon root x है. ठीक है 1 upon root x है. तो इसका डेरिवेटिव 1 upon 2 root x ले सकते हैं ना हम. 1 upon root x है gx, तो इसका डेरिवेटिव 1 upon 2 root x. तो ये हो गया आपका fx root x. इसका डेरिवेटिव 1 upon 2 root c. और ये हो गया g dash x. gx is 1 upon root x. Its derivative is 1 upon 2 root c. फंक्शन बराबर है ना. fx is root x. fx क्या है root x है. root x its derivative is 1 upon 2 root x. और gx क्या है 1 upon root x है. तो इसका डेरिवेटिव हम ये ले सकते हैं. this become x raised to minus half